Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's literally been so long. I think it's been exactly like 1 month since my latest upload. A lot of things have changed, especially as you can tell I don't have black hair anymore. My friends has been calling me a ginger now, but I honestly don't know. It was supposed to be this like ash gray brown color. Another thing that changed is my room. I know that you guys been asking me for a room transformation video, and I've been planning this for so long, but I just have been so busy with school and I haven't been feeling the best. I don't know if you guys can tell, my voice is kind of still raspy and stuff like that. My room is finally finished. I did film a room transformation video, but all my footage just literally got deleted. I think I have one footage of me carrying the box upstairs. That's literally it. So in this video, sadly, I can only show you guys the final tour, but I hope you guys still enjoy. And I'm gonna try to put everything that I remember that I bought for this video in the description. And also, if you guys want to know something that I got that I didn't put in the description, make sure to leave a comment so I can try to find it for you guys. But anyways, I'm so excited to finally show you guys my final room. So let's go. So I'm gonna start like different sections at a time and try to explain to you guys where I got it from and just like kind of explain it on the way. But so the first thing, this is my door when you walk in. I have like sticky notes and stuff. This is basically not even part of like decorations, I guess, but when I was in quarantine I used to write like Bible verses down here and whatever. But yeah, most of them fell out and these are still there, and I think that's cute because like all the color contrast is still here, so cute. This is not really anything, but this is just all my like tournaments, like ticket stuff I kept. I don't know why, but we're gonna get into this part. This is one of my favorite places because it just looks so neat and cute. So here I put out one of my most like colorful tops in order, kind of in color order, I guess, or something. I got this clothing rack from IKEA, and then this cowboy hat, I got this for a school spirit thing, but it's so cute, so I just left it as decoration. And I also have like a Polaroid here with my other white hat. Putting my clothes out like this is so cute because it brings out the color in my room. And also down here, this is my little like workout stuff that I do. I don't do intense workouts, and I play a sport right now, so this is just something small that I do. But I have my like ankle weights, and then I have my like resistance bands, and then I have 10-pound weights with my yoga mat, and then over here that's just my laundry. But in this small basket I have my like contacts, like brushes, pimple patches, just small like, you know, makeup and like self-care stuff. But yeah, this is just so cute. I put all my clothes here and stuff. I don't know if you guys know, in my one like quarantine vlog I made this corset top. It is literally so cute. The thing is, I haven't worn it out at all yet, but look how cute this is. So down here I also have my mini fake plant. I am not good at keeping track with plants, so I have a fake one. I'm pretty sure that's from IKEA. So this is the next part after you go to plants, to my mirror. My mom actually did this mirror for me. She just got this from like a thrift store, I think, and she painted it white and something. I love it. So I literally had like 4 veins, but they all fell, so I don't know. So I also have this rug. This is from Amazon. I'll try to link this for you guys if they still have it. And then this is my Bluetooth like lighting thing that you guys saw in my first room transformation video. And then I have my candles. And then this part, I literally love these cute baskets. I found this from Amazon. So in here I just have like my favorite perfumes and then my jewelry. So this is my favorite perfume, but I'm literally out of it. And I just have my mini mirror, and then the basket under I just have more like basic jewelry. Love these baskets. It fits perfect next to my mirror, and now I can take actual like outfit pictures. Like, this is so cute. The only thing, the light comes from here, so the lighting isn't always the best. The next part is the bed. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it that well because the light, like I said, is coming from there. But my bed frame is from IKEA. This usually had a like bed board, but I got rid of it because it took too much space. But in here, I just have my bottom. I already showed you guys this in my like getting rid of my clothes and stuff video, so not gonna get too in depth with that. And then this part, this is a little messy, so I'm not going to show you guys, but this part has my arts and crafts stuff because I do a lot of like project for school, and I just kept all the things that I bought here. This is my favorite thing ever. This is a really cute like sunflower pillow. It's just like, look how cute it is. It's so bright, it's so soft, and it just, I don't know, I really like this. I also have my other cute like stuffed animals over there, my avocado, my sloth, and then my reindeer thing my mom got me. But so this one is also from Amazon, and then these pillows, I believe they are from Home Goods. So I have a lot of lights in my room, and I have this one next to my bed, and this one, and I also have that one, and I also have that one, and my Christmas lights. So my room looks so pretty. I'm literally obsessed with my room in the dark. You guys just saw all my lights and stuff, but I have my fairy lights, and then that plant that just hangs on top of my ceiling is from IKEA, I believe. And just look how cute this section is. I found this mirror on Pinterest, and it just like led me through like Amazon, and I think it was like $15, which is literally honestly pretty good for a cute mirror like that. I got these little poster stuff on Amazon as well. This came in a kit of 50, but I only put up the one that was cute. I also had these like cute flower stickers I put up as well. So cute, I love it. This part, adorable. I love this part. So I got this little like side table also from Amazon. This was so easy to build. I built it in probably like 3 minutes because all I had to do was like twist these like leg things. But this was, I believe, like $25, which is pretty good. And then like I said, these are my 2 extra boxes from the perfume box I showed you guys earlier. But here I just keep 2 of my favorite books that I'm reading. And then I just have my alarm clock. I don't put my alarm on it because the sound is actually so annoying. And then I got my little mushroom lamp from Amazon, another fake plant. And then I just have this like this candle, my friend gave it to me. So cute, I love it. You guys know me and my journals. I just have my 5-minute journal right here so I can do it right before I sleep and when I wake up with my pen. The next part is desk and working area. So I just have my school backpack. My chair and also my desk is from IKEA, I believe. Yeah, IKEA. So these are also the leftover posters from the wall section over there. And then my little like gold hanging thing, I stole it from my mom's room, but I think they're from Home Goods. My little like light thing up there, I love it. So cute. You guys probably saw it in my night version of the video. So before we get into the closet portion of my room tour, I just wanted to share with you guys quickly something that I've been loving lately. You guys know that I love thrifting, and I found another great way to thrift. But this one I can do online, which is literally perfect because I love online shopping. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about a brand called Curtsy. It is an online thrifting store. You guys can post your pictures and you guys can sell your clothes, or you guys can buy clothes from off of other people. Curtsy, it's so easy to find more named, like well-known brand items. So I just want to share with you guys some of the things that I just got from them. For me, I love Princess Polly. I love all their clothes, but they are kind of on the higher price. I know their quality is amazing, but I also found so much Princess Polly stuff on Curtsy. They literally have everything from like Gymshark, Urban Outfitters. They have more like designer brands if you guys want to look for that too. I got like 4 Princess Polly stuff and 1 Brandy Melville. I'm just gonna show you guys quickly a little try on haul because I am obsessed with all the items that I got. And also, of course, I have a discount code for you guys. So you guys can use the code SUA15 to get 15% off your first order. So the first thing I got is this really cute Princess Polly sweater. I know it might be a little bit too hot for a sweater, but I literally saw this on one of my favorite YouTube channels called, her name is Coraline. I don't know if it's Coraline or Caroline. It's probably Coraline. But she wore this top on her Instagram, and I've been thinking about it like ever since, and I couldn't find it, but I found it on Curtsy, so I got it. It's so cute. It's this cropped but really soft, and the quality is amazing. It literally feels brand new to me. This is just so cute. It might look like a prisoner's outfit, but I'll be a cute one. So the next thing I got were these really cute jean shorts. So I've been looking for some kind of mid jean shorts because those were kind of popular last summer. I couldn't find any, but I finally found one from Curtsy, and they are from Princess Polly. I got this in a size 2, and this fits me perfectly. I know I'm going to be wearing this literally every day in the summer. I'm going to be going to New York for like a month this summer, and this is one of the things I have to pack. Just so cute, so simple, but I love. The next thing I got is another bottom from Princess Polly, but it's this really cute like tan skirt. So in the back it looks like shorts, and in the front it has this overlay, so it looks like a skirt, and it's just so cute. The next thing I got is my last item from Princess Polly from Curtsy. It's just this really cute basic top. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you guys will see a little bit better when I try it on. But there's like this cut in the middle. I think it's just so adorable, and I did need some like basic pieces in my closet. So just a basic long sleeve kind of, I would say kind of turtleneck. The last thing I got were these baggy jeans from Brandy Melville. If you guys are looking for some places to buy Brandy Melville clothes but not directly from Brandy Melville, you guys should definitely check out Curtsy. They have so much Brandy Melville stuff on there. But I got this just really cute baggy, these are like low rise. Finding jeans and like getting them online is so awkward, and like it's just like really hard, but this is just so cute. It fits perfect, and I also really like the light wash kind of color on it. I want to say thank you to Curtsy for sending me these amazing and cute pieces. I hope you guys do check it out, because it is another way to buy just second-handed clothes. But anyways, back to the video. This is my closet. So I just kept my Pandora boxes up here. I don't know, I think it just kind of added like elegance to my room. I don't know, that's just what I thought. So when you open the closet, you guys probably saw my closet from my other like organizing my closet video, but here I had this really cute letter from this kid that I used to work with. Here I just kept like random stuff, my like bags, like shoulder bags and stuff like that. And then I'm just gonna quickly explain everything. These are my bottoms, like skirts, shorts, jeans, my boots. That's just like my filming equipment up there. This is my brother's birthday gift. I'm the best sister. So last but not least, we're at the end kind of, and I got this really cute like frame from the thrift store, and I just put a really cute picture in there that says, "You deserve the love that you keep trying to give everyone else." Cute. So that's basically it for this room tour. I do promise I will have more videos up for you guys. I'm just trying to get through finals and my AP tests and stuff like that. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. But anyways, I hope to see you guys soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.